I would just say, I don't know, dump it out. I don't know, dump it out. I have no idea what we're supposed to do with it. Just trash, huh?
Just trash.
Okay. Now there was on that stuff, because that was dumped also.
Over here.
Yep.
The white.
On the same, yeah, from the same truck.
Yeah, that was insane. There's an address also down there.
Oh, and the registration I have it in the house. I should have grabbed that.
Yeah, well, he can take that with him because it's a partial registration. It looks like a partial pink slip, actually.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah.
At least there's no dead chickens, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
But those cages, what?
Yeah. That they use for cockfighting.
Well, we do have illegal cockfighting that occurs in Riverside County, so that does happen occasionally.
It's just weird that randomly here they are.
And they pick out here because I've recovered everything from stolen cars to dumpers out here and stuff like that. They come out here all the time because it's wide open.
Yeah.
The closest residence is you guys over here. So I've arrested people out here in this field for doing their dope and everything else in their cars, just hanging out here. So
Yeah, when we're over in those fields and riding the horses and stuff, I've found many stolen cars up there at the old Noggles house. It was a tweaker situation where I think they were making meth, and I know they pulled like 3 felonies out of that. I was up there just riding my horse, out comes this woman out of nowhere. It was very random, and then all these puppies, and I'm like, what in the world? But I saw a lot of kids' toys, and it's like 1,000 degrees. This is not a place for children. There's no housing. So I called to get them out because I said, you guys better go take a look. And I was more concerned that they're cooking meth or something up there and it hits our field. All of us, we got the horses out here, and that's a problem.
Yeah.
So anyway, I don't know.
well, thankfully there's no dead chickens in there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, but when they're saying that chicken paraphernalia and caging and whatnot can be a problem, there's an egg carton. I don't know. This is also strange. I don't understand it. And the only thing I saw here was there was like an address out of Moreno Valley for somebody.
well, I saw an address on something there.
This one here.
And this one has an address out of Moreno Valley. The only problem with this, and this of course being, JP Morgan and Chase is going to be something bank related, is a lot of people, a lot of tweakers steal mail, and then they dump it out here because they don't want to get caught with it. I put plenty of cases on people for stealing mail and doing fraud and everything else, and that's what they do is they steal all the stuff. When they're done with it, they just dump it wherever they can.
Well, the good part is we got workable info, though.
Yeah,
so that's the good part
I'll
of this.
take that license plate. I'll run the plate and see what we can find. See if we can follow up on it. I'll get some information from you.
Okay.
And it doesn't appear as though we're dealing with anybody from the Newcastle stuff, but there's definitely trash being dumped out here. So we'll investigate that.
To the owner of the property.
Is there a private owner of this? Right here? Okay.
Nick Jones.
So you guys have his
We're
contact
watching the
information.
property. He just asked us to get to the back of my property over there. Been trying to keep the dumpers out and the dirt bikes out as best I can.
I don't know. Like I said, more concerning are those cages and the fact that it's a game feed bag, which I used to feed the same feed to mine just because it's a very high quality, good food. Although my birds were just pets.
I wonder if they sell this over at Mead Valley.
Yeah, you can get it all over Mead Valley. That's where I'd buy mine.
I bet they sell it right over here at Mead Valley.
They sell them at both of them. Yeah, and it's a high quality feed, and I used to feed it to mine. I don't know about these things though, because if that contamination they're saying is on equipment, then what about these?
Well, I typically wouldn't contact them if you want to contact the FDA guys or anything like that. they can come out and do their testing. I don't have a way to test it.
Yeah,
So
I'm
it
not
would
sure
have
what
to be
we're supposed to
an
do.
environmental specialist or something like that. They would have to come out and test it for the Newcastle disease.
Okay.
And if they did, then they would take it and they would incinerate it. So
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't had very good luck with them. I email everybody probably like
we only get
100
phone
times a
calls
day.
when they come out and they say they're going to be out here working for the day. They just let us know that they're going to be out here. That's pretty much our only involvement with them.
Well, at my house there was a bit more, but I think it's probably best that we just leave that be because I do not want you pulled into that fiasco because it's not a good
Sounds like you're
fiasco.
already handling
It's
it,
a,
so
it's, yeah.
we'll,
Just let that.
and I'm grateful that you think that way because I really don't want to be part of it.
Nope,
Anyway.
it has nothing to do with you. You're here to take our call for this, and actually you showed up very quickly. You identified who you are, so we're all good. It's just that the other situations that are happening now, they're using the CHP warrant guys for stuff.
I
But
don't, on your previous incident, I'm sure that the deputies identified themselves.
well, we have a bigger problem there. I've come to find out after I went down and talked to Pearson to file the complaints on everybody. Then I get Adams, who's another. Let's just never mind. But anyway, both of them had no clue. It was just very, very bad, and they denied me my rights of the ex parte to traverse. The warrant wasn't right. I've written a warrant, so I knew that part. They failed to allow me my rights. And then they went as far ahead. Pearson decided he thought it'd be a good idea to call my husband's work. He's an officer. And not only did they call him, he called the Denver command to make a medical diagnosis on me and my children. So that was fun, too. I said, that's just wonderful. But yeah, it's all not good, and I'm very disappointed in missing Sheriff Chad. Very unprofessional that he hasn't returned even back to me or even addressed the citizens about this whole menace because they're terrorizing Darupa, me, Perris, I mean all over the place, Land, and the guy hasn't even said a